Hello students, I am Deepti. Let us now continue the chapter Life Processes. So our next topic is plant nutrition. And as we all know, plants also require food which can supply energy for their various metabolic activities. As we all studied in previous videos that animals can move from one place to another in search of food, but plants just stand still at one place and make their own food. That's why green plants are autotrophic and synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll is photosynthesis. As photo means light and synthesis means to build. The plant uses the energy in sunlight to prepare the food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll. Now, what is chlorophyll? So, chlorophyll is a green pigment which is present in the chloroplast inside the plant cell. It is responsible for the green color in the plants. Let me repeat once again. ग्रीन प्लांट्स को हम ऑटोट्रॉफिक बोलते हैं. ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज दे सिंथेसाइज देयर ओन फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is the process in which the green plants make their own food. वो अपना खाना जिसमें खुद से बनाते हैं with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. And plant use the energy in sunlight to prepare the food. Chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast inside the cell. एंड क्लोरोफिल ही है जो कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, जो कि ग्रीन कलर देता है एक प्लांट को. The process of photosynthesis can be represented as there is a reaction 6CO2 plus 6H2O with light energy or sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll gives C6H12O6 plus 6CO2. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives glucose, which is the food, and releases oxygen. The process of photosynthesis takes place in the green leaves of a plant. Photosynthesis कहाँ पे होता है? Green leaves में होता है. And the food prepared by the green leaves of a plant is in the form of a simple sugar called ग्लूकोज. तो जो फूड बनता है वो होता है ग्लूकोज, और यही ग्लूकोज डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में भेज दिया जाता है. दिस ग्लूकोज इज सेंट टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो, द प्लांट takes the carbon dioxide from air through the tiny pores which are known as stomata, and water is transported to the leaves from the soil through the roots. The sunlight provides the energy, and in the presence of chlorophyll, the plants make their food as in the form of glucose, and as a byproduct, oxygen is released. Now the extra glucose is changed into another food called starch. So plants prepared food in the form of glucose, but plants stored the food in the form of starch. This starch is stored in the leaves of plant, and there is a experiment also in which we test the presence of starch, and this starch gives blue-black color with the iodine solution that depicts the presence of starch in the leaf. तो स्टार्च की प्रेजेंस को टेस्ट करने के लिए हम आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन का यूज करते हैं. अगर किसी भी चीज में स्टार्च प्रेजेंट है, फॉर एग्जांपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स दैट इज राइस, अगर हमें राइस में टेस्ट करना है, पोटैटो में टेस्ट करना है कि इसमें स्टार्च प्रेजेंट है या नहीं, जस्ट सिंपली पुट अ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन ऑन इट एंड इट गिव्स अ ब्लू ब्लैक color. So starch gives blue black color with iodine solution. Now move on to the next topic, which is role of leaves in photosynthesis. What is the role of leaf? So photosynthesis occurs in green parts of the plants and mainly in leaves. The structure of leaf shows the following features that make it a suitable place for photosynthesis. तो ये हम कुछ स्ट्रक्चर, कुछ फीचर्स हम लीफ की देखेंगे जिससे कि हमें पता चलेगा कि भाई लीफ ही क्यों सुटेबल है, व्हाई लीफ इज सुटेबल फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस. नंबर 1, cells in the leaves are green because they contain chlorophyll, which is green in color, which is a green pigment, and the chlorophyll is contained in the chloroplast, and chloroplasts are the site of photosynthesis. Why? Because chlorophyll absorbs solar energy. So what we have studied, that green color is due to the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is contained in chloroplast and chloroplast are the site of photosynthesis, and chlorophyll absorbs the solar energy. So chlorophyll क्या है? वो एक green pigment है and वो present होता है chloroplast में. In the second point, leaves have tiny pores called stomata on under the surface. Carbon dioxide enters the leaves through stomata. So carbon dioxide enters through the leaves through stomata, which are the tiny pores on the lower side of the leaf. Solar energy is the ultimate source of energy, and the leaves of plants convert this solar energy into chemical energy and provide it to all the cells of the living bodies. And this chemical energy split water into hydrogen and oxygen with the help of sunlight. And the reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form glucose is also by utilizing this chemical energy. जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का रिडक्शन होता है थ्रू हाइड्रोजन, जिसमें कि ग्लूकोज की फॉर्मेशन होती है, वो भी इसी केमिकल एनर्जी के थ्रू होती है. Now our next topic is conditions necessary for photosynthesis. As we all know, plant needs some raw material for the process of photosynthesis, and those raw materials are chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Chlorophyll, as we studied, that it is present in chloroplast, and these cell organelles occurs only in the green parts of plants and mainly the leaves. It also occur in the green stem of the plant. Sunlight, it provides the energy for photosynthesis, and it directly comes from the sun, as sun is the ultimate source of energy. And in photosynthesis, this sunlight is converted into the chemical energy. The next raw material is carbon dioxide. Plants obtain carbon dioxide directly from the air. It is taken through the tiny pores present on the undersurface of leaves, and each stomatal pore is surrounded by a pair of guard cells. You can also see in the picture the kidney shaped cells. The kidney shaped structure is the guard cells. The opening and closing of stomatal pores is controlled by the guard cells. अब क्या होता है कि कुछ टाइम में, you can see in the picture also, the picture A shows the open stomatal pore and picture B shows the closed stomatal pores. So when water flows into the guard cells, जब water guard cells के अंदर जाता है, then the guard cells become swell and become curved, causes the pore to ओपन, स्वेल होने के बाद जो स्टोमेटल पोर्स है वो ओपन हो जाते हैं. एंड व्हेन द गार्ड सेल लूज वाटर, जब गार्ड सेल पानी लूज करता है, देन दे shrink and become straight and close the stomatal pores. So this is the functioning of opening and closing of stomata. The oxygen gas produced during photosynthesis also goes out through the stomatal pores of the leaves. So stomata allow the movement of gases in and out of the plant cells. And the fourth condition necessary for photosynthesis is water and minerals. They are obtained directly by roots from soil and transported to the leaves. The vessels that transport water and minerals to the leaves are called xylem vessels. They run like pipes through the roots, stem, and branches into the veins of leaves. So, water is transported through xylem vessels and is absorbed by the roots of the plants from the soil through the process of osmosis. The two raw materials, carbon dioxide and water, are required by the plants to prepare energy foods called carbohydrates, such as glucose and starch. But the plants also need other raw materials such as nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, etc. for building their body. The plants take materials like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and magnesium from the soil. For example, nitrogen is an essential element used by the plants to make proteins and other compounds, and the plants take up nitrogen from the soil in the form of nitrites or nitrates, or in the form of organic compounds which are produced by bacteria from the atmospheric nitrogen. And there is a bacteria which is also present in the leguminous plants, which is called rhizobium, which converts the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates, and the plant easily absorbed this nitrate through the roots. As we have studied earlier, that chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis because chloroplast contain chlorophyll and chlorophyll absorbs sunlight. Chloroplasts are the organelles in the cells of green plants which contain chlorophyll and where photosynthesis takes place. So the site of photosynthesis in a cell of the leaf are chloroplast, and these chloroplasts have been seen easily by using a light microscope. A typical photosynthetic cell of a green leaf may contain 100 or more tiny chloroplasts in it, and a whole leaf may contain many thousands of photosynthetic cells. And carbon dioxide enters through the stomata, which are the tiny pores present in the leaves. And the point to be noted that there is a thin waxy protective layer called cuticle, which is above and below a leaf, which helps to reduce the loss of water from the leaf. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much, students. Hope you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.